Hi there, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I shoot video of listings that come on the market. I'm on a small little street. It actually is a cul-de-sac here. It's called Sunmist, and you go back this way and High Ridge is to our right, Crest Road is behind us, the ocean, miles of hiking trails, and this property is really neat. I was excited to come see this one. Looks very well kept from the outside. Nice paver stamped concrete here as it comes up into the front. Just super cool. All right, stepping on in. Wow, look at this, like straight through and open. Look at the big openings. This is gorgeous. It's beautiful too. It's all tile, it's really well done. Wow, this is just super incredible. What a fun yard. All right, we'll come back. All right, hey Sep, here's our listing agent, Sep. Thanks for having us. What a gorgeous property. What are your stats here?
Stats, it's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, about 2,780 square feet roughly. Completely remodeled by the owner over the past 2 to 3 years. We're looking at about $1.3 million of renovation done. Nothing you see outside was here. All the outdoor exterior, all the interior has been all.
This looks pretty high end too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Really, look at all the storage on the other side of this. I like it. Nice big wine fridge, Sub-Zero. Another fridge. Wow. Look at this workstation too. This is amazing. I've never seen anything like this off the side of the kitchen. I guess a butler's pantry, but this is really well done. Italian groove maple line. This one is leathered, meaning there's some texture to it. And so is this. This is leathered as well. 8-burner stove? Gee whizzards. Wow.
Consider concession. That's what it is. Consider concession. So right now, and what do you have to do?
Looking for trash. There's got to be trash around here somewhere.
You're not allowed to say how much trash. You're supposed to say what they have. Consider concession. Yes, they will.
Look at that. And then the bath in the back. So, pretty neat. Really nice. All right, let's keep going. Wow, they got a lot of drink fridges.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. This is like a party house. Yeah. Nice.
Well, good luck, Sam.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Easy to show.
Wow. That's really cool. I've never seen this before, but that is super cool. It's really neat. So we got 2 rooms over here. Direct access to the garage. Whole house water filtration. Laundry in the garage. Way over there. Wow. Fountain's really loud. This is cool. These are walnut. So is this. It's just not staying the same. Pretty. Tile floor here. Another one of those chairs. It's pretty cool. And then on into primary. Wow. It's pretty. I love this fan. Wow, big closet. Oh, there's a little cloud coverage over the water, but you're right out to Catalina. Cool design on the top of the trellis there. Wow, this is neat. You just walk in like that. Wow. Double sinks, it's pretty. These big openings are just awesome. Well, I haven't heard a single car because this stuff's so loud. This is cool, gas fireplace here. Love this. The marks on the ground are so cool. It's all cement on top. Super nice. And the bar top, I mean, this is great. And you're sitting here where you can look out to the view. It's nice how they have that valley right there. That just totally accentuates the view, you know? Pretty darn cool. So, really neat property. Just was listed. It's a great spot. If you have questions or would like to come see it, give me a call. This is awesome. So, thanks a lot for watching. Give me a call. I'm happy to tell you all about what's happening here in Palos Verdes, and there's a lot going on. So, give a call when you're ready. Cheers.